Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and let's talk about the Nuroum C10 webcam. With the Nuroum C10 webcam, its biggest selling point is the width that it gives you on the camera. It's really important for people to be able to see your upper body and see you without you having to move back so much away from the camera that your voice can't be heard. So you can see that it has a slick design. For me, it fits in perfectly with my vacant desk. If you're in the office or at home, it's really discreet. It produces true 1080p video quality. Not only is this a webcam, it actually has a built-in microphone and a speaker. So that means that all of your AV needs are covered in one webcam. So first of all, let's talk about the image. Well, you can see here on the low lighting very late at night, this is the video quality that I'm getting off the MacBook Pro. When I switch that to the Nuroum webcam, you can see that it actually gives true 1080p video quality. I'm genuinely impressed that it can capture my complexion under such low lighting. That being said, I think what's helping it is the range of colors in the room. If you put it onto a white background like this, it might struggle just a little bit, as most webcams do when you have someone with a darker complexion on a plain white or clearer background. But the button that allows you to shut off the audio and the button that allows you to shut off the microphone is just that extra little reassuring feature that you have. Now, though this is a great webcam and it sits high off the ground, I would have to be honest, you need something to elevate it behind your laptop. Luckily for me, it sits on top of my monitor because my monitor has an arm behind it. If we go back to the AV settings, when you mute the video and the audio, you can see that it'll flash different colors just to let you know what's going on, so that you don't accidentally keep the camera or the audio on when you didn't plan to do that. The other thing about the Nuroum C10 is that it's ready for older computers and newer computers. It has a USB-C connection, but as you can see at the bottom, they give you an adapter so you can connect it to older computers who have older peripheral ports. Altogether, I'm very impressed with the Nuroum webcam, but where it falls short for me is the microphone. For me, I think the microphone sounds a little bit muffled. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my test for the Nuroum microphone. But most microphones to me sound muffled because I have a condenser microphone. But if you even listen to the MacBook Pro, I'm using the audio and the video from the MacBook Pro laptop just to test the camera and the microphone. You can hear that they both sound a little bit muffled. That's why I always recommend having an external microphone as well. But altogether, I think it's a great webcam, and the webcam has that width, so it means that if I have someone else sitting next to me or even two people, we don't have to bunch ourselves together. This literally captures the entire room. With about 5 months of using this in meetings, I'd definitely say that this camera is great to be part of my setup. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think of the Nuroum C10 webcam, and if you want me to review other products from Nuroum. Thank you very much for watching.